Great accommodations for a small town. Enjoyed our stay at Gia Thanh Dat. Everything is new and clean. The staff are very nice and accommodating. They let us have our room at 7 a.m. in the morning. The only issue is the echoes in the hallway or another room if there are noises. Otherwise the place is pretty quiet at night. Convenience facilities at Gia Thanh Dat, making your stay comfortable and hassle-free at Gia Thanh Dat. We strive to provide our guests with a truly convenient and enjoyable stay. Our range of top-notch convenience facilities ensures that you have everything you need right at your fingertips. For those who prefer to travel light, our laundry service takes care of all your clothing needs, allowing you to pack less and make the most of your trip. Whether you need a quick freshen up or a complete wardrobe refresh, our dedicated staff will ensure your clothes are cleaned and returned to you promptly. Indulge in the comfort of your room with our excellent room service. Order a delicious meal or a refreshing beverage and have it delivered straight to your doorstep. Whether you're craving a hearty breakfast, a late-night snack, or a romantic dinner for two, our attentive staff will cater to your every culinary desire. Our concierge is always on hand to assist you with any queries or requests you may have. From arranging transportation to recommending local attractions and dining options, our knowledgeable concierge team will go above and beyond to ensure your stay is memorable. Stay connected with our complimentary Wi-Fi in public areas and in all rooms. Whether you need to catch up on work emails, stream your favorite shows, or simply stay connected with your loved ones, our reliable internet service will keep you connected throughout your stay. For our guests who smoke, we have a designated smoking area where you can enjoy your cigarette without inconveniencing other guests. This area provides a comfortable and well-ventilated space for you to relax and indulge in your smoking habit. Lastly, our express check-in/check-out service ensures a seamless and hassle-free experience. Say goodbye to long queues and paperwork. Our efficient staff will have you checked in and out in no time, allowing you to spend more time enjoying your stay. At Gia Thanh Dat, we prioritize your convenience and comfort above all else. With our comprehensive range of convenience facilities, your stay with us is sure to be a memorable one. Convenient transport facilities at Gia Thanh Dat. At Gia Thanh Dat, we understand the importance of hassle-free travel and convenience for our guests. That's why we offer a range of transport facilities to ensure a seamless stay.